What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another pack opening. We are going to be opening up 11 booster sleeved boosters from Best Buy. I went to my local Best Buy and got these here. We have 2 Primal Clash. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Breakpoint. We have 1 Guardians Rising. Oh, scratch that. We have 2 Guardians Risings and 1 Sword and Shield. So I will go ahead and do a cut until I get all the boosters open. Okay. Now we have 11 packs in total here. So let's see how good booster packs from Best Buy are. We are going to be starting from the oldest set from this to the newest. So we are starting out with Primal Clash. I think that is only 3 from the back for these, if I remember. Okay, Silent Lab, Groudon Spirit Link, Nidorina, Tangela, Bidoof, Clamperl, Meditite, Tentacle, a reverse uncommon Seadra, and a regular rare Excadrill. I believe that was... Okay, yeah. I did that pack trick right. Okay, here is the last Primal Clash pack. We have Celio, Experience Share, Energy Retrieval, Mudkip, Trapinch, Nosepass, Spinda, Horsey, a reverse uncommon energy retrieval, and Archie's ace in the hole full art. Yo, that is sick. Oh, there's a little bit of whitening on the top there, but that is still sick though. Okay. Yeah, I'm actually not too sure if how much this card really goes for, but that is still a pull nonetheless. Okay, now off to our 6 Breakpoint packs. I don't know why I'm so close to the mic for, but that's what you get. 1, 2. I think this is still 3. Okay. Special Energy, Electivire, Reverse Valley, Phantom, Slowpoke, Shinx, Spritzy, Glameow, a Reverse Common Froakie, and a regular rare Ferrothorn. Okay, Bursting Balloon, Puzzle of Time, Stantler, Slowpoke, Shinx, Spritzy, Glameow, Ducklet, a Reverse Rare Luxray, and a regular rare Zebstrika. Okay, we have 1, 2... We have 3 more packs of Breakpoint. Professor Sycamore, Bursting Balloon, Luxio, Froakie, Corsola, Drowsy, Petalil, Kricketot, a Reverse Common Honedge, and Ho-Oh-EX, yo! Yo, that is actually pretty sick. All these things have, it looks like it has all like slightly white, like whitening at the top, but that's fine. So far, one hit, well, one ultra rare per set here. But we still have. Oh wait. Wait, never mind. Now we have 3 packs. Getting ahead of myself. Getting ahead of myself. Okay, Gyarados Spirit Link, Scizor Spirit Link, Mawile, which is one of my favorite mons, Electabuzz, Ferroseed, Froakie, Corsola, Drowsy, a Reverse Rare Lilligant, and a regular rare Raticate. Okay, now our second to last. Okay, Maxi Elixir, Bayleaf, Perugly, Petalil, Kricketot, Pancham, Skorupi, Rattata. Yo! Raticate Break. Yo! With a regular rare Luxray. Well, it is still technically a hit, so gonna sleeve him up. Last Breakpoint pack. Max Potion, Sigalith, Aromatisse, Honedge, Ducklet, Shinx, Numel, Blitzel, a reverse common Esper, and ooh, Emboar EX. Pretty sick. Yeah, this one definitely has some like whitening right there on the edge there, but that is fine. So we got 3 hits technically. 3 out of the 6 packs we actually got something from the. I think that was 6 packs anyway. I moving on. Now we are gonna be on to our 2 Guardians Rising packs, Sun and Moon. So now this is gonna be 4 from the bag, I believe. Now since they put that extra card in here, one, two, three, 4. Okay, Fire Energy, Watchog, Multi-Switch, Komala, Wailmer, Stuffle, Phantom, Helioptile, Beldum, a reverse common Rockruff, and a Vikavolt GX. I actually just realized we actually hit something from each of these sets. Well, I probably actually already said that, but we had 1 from Primal, 3 from Breakpoint, and 1 so far for Guardians Rising. So far, I actually would suggest, if you have a local Best Buy near you, grab as many of these sleeved boosters as you can, because I'm actually having some decent luck with these. Grass Energy, Sudowoodo, Metang, Komala, Tailo, Rockruff, Gumi, Slowpoke, Mudbray, a reverse common Stuffle, and a regular rare Lunala. Okay, those were our Guardians Rising packs, and now we are off to our last pack, and it is a Sword and Shield pack. Sword and Shield base. So are we going to continue the train from getting a hit from each set, or is this one going to break the chain? Metal Energy, Galarian Linoon, Rotom-Bike, Drizzle, or Drizzile, Sizzlipede, Wooloo, Grookey, Sobble, Rhyhorn, ooh, a reverse common Pikachu, and a regular rare Galarian Rapidash. For the recap here, from our 11 packs, we got a Volt GX. We got Embor EX. A Radicate Break. A Ho-Oh EX. And I think the best pull is Archie's Ace in the Hole Full Art Trainer. That is pretty sick. So yeah, I would recommend going to your local Best Buy if you have one near you and get the single packs or sleeve boosters or however they call them. You would never know what you could get, because I just went there and I just bought whatever they had for these and I got lucky. So I hope you guys enjoyed this opening. I'm gonna try and do more openings here soon. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. And I will see you in the next opening.